Hello children, this is your English class. We are doing chapter 11 adverbs in English grammar and we have done with exercise A, B and C. So in today's class we're gonna solve exercise D and E. Let's see what we have to do in exercise D. We have to complete the conversation using suitable adverbs, which means options are given there. In the helper box you can see the options. These are adverbs and we have to use them according to the sentences. Okay, so let's begin with it. The first sentence, as Tanya's dialogue is, Rohit, why are you walking so? We can choose slowly. Okay, so write in the first blank slowly. Okay, then in the second one, dash I came here, dash I did not sleep. You can write yesterday in second. So write yesterday, comma, which means in the second blank, in the second sentence you have to write late. I came here late. Okay, then in the third one, I did not sleep properly. So write properly. Okay, so here we have done with first and second dialogue. Further, where did you go? I went to my grandmother's house. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I took work. Okay, we can write there. Okay, there. I go to my grandmother's house during my vacations. Your grandmother lives far away. Okay, we can write in the next blank far away. Okay, then yes she does. Oh, how I wish my granny too lived near. Okay, so write near. It is in the next blank. Okay, next, I would visit her often. Okay, so write often. So here we have done with all the dialogues. Let me read it for you. Rohit, why are you walking so slowly? Yesterday I came here late. I did not sleep properly. Where did you go? I went to my grandmother's house. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I took work there. I go to my grandmother's house during my vacations. Your grandmother lives far away. Yes, she does. Oh, how I wish my granny too lived near. By then I would visit her often. Okay, so yes, these all are correct. So let's now do exercise E. Rewrite the following sentences to insert given adverbs. We have to insert this adverb in the sentence. Okay, the first one is the principal gave moving speech, a very moving speech. So write in exercise E. The first one, the principal gave a very moving speech. Okay, so here we have done with the first sentence of exercise E. Second one is these flowers start blooming. So we can write like this: these flowers start blooming early. Means ये फूल जल्दी ही खिलना शुरू हो गए. My friends accepted my invitation. So we can use the gladly as it shows the manner. So we can use it in the mid position. Okay, so write in the third one, my friend gladly accepted my invitation. Okay, so here we have done with third, my friend gladly accepted my invitation. Fourth one, the workers repaired these holes. The workers repaired these holes recently. So write in fourth one, or we can use recently word in the mid position also, but according to the sentence we should use it at the end. The workers repaired these holes recently. Okay, because it shows the time. The workers repaired these holes recently. Next up, Miss Vinita is very cheerful. We have to use usually. Usually is used in the mid position between the subject and between the subject and the main verb. Okay, so my Miss Vinita Miss Vinita is usually very cheerful. Miss Vinita is usually very cheerful. Now the sixth one, we go to sleep at 10 p.m. Right? We generally go to sleep. Yes, we can write like this. We generally go to sleep at 10 p.m. Okay, so here we have done with 6 also. Okay, now let's do seventh one. Seventh is, you must read the passage before answering the questions. So write in seventh, you must read the passage. You must read the passage twice before answering the questions. Okay, and it is true that you must read any questions or passage whatever is given there before answering it. It's really important. Okay, eighth one, my father gets time to read a newspaper rarely. So write in it, my father rarely gets time to read a newspaper. Okay, so now we have done with both the exercises, exercise D and E. I hope you have understood everything. I'll see you next class. Thank you.